Friends, through this video we will try to understand how Bazaar indicators help us in identifying the stocks in terms of positive and negative with the help of interesting and important psychology of crossover. As you all know, crossing over is nothing but one average crosses to another average, which is nothing but a trigger for positive or negative bias from very short or near term to longer term. We will see some example in our tool and understand how user friendly it is and how easily it helps user in taking the position on either side trade. If you find this information useful, please select the like icon, subscribe for our channel and share it with your friends. For further information of our tool, you can call me on this number or write to me through this email ID. Thanks. As I said, crossing over is nothing but the crossing of one average to another average. Now in this case, let us understand Nifty 50 with the help of chart available in our tool. We will select the strategy of 5 by 20. We have given various strategies, but we will select in case of Nifty 5 by 20. See how it works. This blue line is of 5 days exponential moving average is crossing. It has already crossed 5 exponential moving average is 9024 and 20 is 21, 9021. That means 5 days moving average has crossed last weekend. That means it is a positive trigger for Nifty 50 spot. Now for further interpretation, we have to either bank on this 9024 or let us find out some nearest support level. Closing was is 9266. Then for intraday it is positive. For next entire week 9024, 5 exponential moving is very far. So we can bank on this on every dip. 9137 for next week is important support for this trigger. Above this, where it can go, it doesn't have any resistance before 9916. That doesn't mean it will go one way. It has intraday resistance this, then weekly basis it has in terms of pivot. So above 9137 it may go right up to 9363 or even 9450, and once this is crossed it can go up to 9916. Now how this tool helps us in selecting the stocks. We will identify certain stock from F&O folder. We'll select folder future near month. Normally these two parameters are, I am suggesting 5 by 20 or 513. We will select here 5 by 13 exponential moving average crossover positive trigger in future near month. Let us process it. It will identify the stocks triggered positive. These are the stocks triggered positive, and all the stop losses are being given here, important, crucial and negative below this. But which are the levels crucial that we can go into that particular script. Now in this case Tata Motor is trigger, closing is 7720 and it is positive 70 above 7430. Okay, Tata Motor near month future close of 17.4 is 7720 and it says it is positive above 7430. We will go into deep. Now let us understand in this main screen if any nearest support or crucial level, say 7720, and we found 7578 is important support for next week. That means instead of going up to 74, we will bank on this For intraday it is positive above this, and for entire week, as long as it is above this, it will be a positive script. Now let us find out hurdles. Which are the hurdles? 7760, that is previous swing. Anything above this will trigger for the journey of 8960. Now we have to watch 7760 and this intraday, then thereafter 80 for entire week. This journey gradually will trigger for 8960 as long as it is above 7578. But yes, weekly R1 may resist, but as long as averages are concerned, it doesn't have any tangible resistance before 8960 or 160. This is how we can interpret. Now let us try some negative stock. If we have any negative, so we will study that also. This 5/13 is very crucial and very important. Sometimes it gives result in intraday also. Now see, Wipro is negative. What we have filtered? Crossing over of 5/13 triggered negative in case of Wipro. Let us understand in little detail. Its closing was 87.95. Next week pivot, because it is a weekend stock and we will be referring it from Monday next week. So we can bank on this weekly pivot. As long as it is below this, bias will be negative in this case. Now to what extent or where it can go? It has support at 87, then it doesn't have support before 84. Once this is gone, there will be a panic like situation. So we are getting two important support resistance at 88.50. One should avoid short above this, and once this is crossed, there will be a panic because that short term trend is also pierced, then it may resume downtrend. So this is how we can identify the stocks for position, positive as well. But this parameter is a very near term psychology, that is, say you can consider for 2 to 3 days. Thereafter, yes, our trade is favoring, then you can continue with the position by trailing stop loss. Now one more thing, this 1840, those who are trading or investing for longer period, say 2 to 3 months, this parameter is working nice, very nice, and we can find out some stock which are falling in this, or whether this psychology identifying any stock. We'll select CNX 500 and we'll find out positive stock for the investment of 1 to 1.5 months. Let us process this. This 1840 is also a very good parameter, but for investment, and one should not jump into on trigger. Say for example Aurobindo Pharma is trigger. What is the closing? 542, and what it says 450. That means support is very far. Let us understand where we can enter and how we can enter with the help of Bazaar indicators. See, all the parameters in terms of averages, it is positive, but what we have filtered? Strategy of 1840. See, this one is positive trigger, but stop loss is very far. That means it is a buy at decline considering 450. This level, or say weekly level, will give, at present it is in risky zone, so one need to wait, but yes, it is triggered for next 1 or 2 months period. So this parameter is also very helpful in identifying the stocks for investment purpose, where we can filter the stocks and invest. That's it. This is how our crossover identifies stocks, and we can interpret further for either side psychology. Thanks.